welcome to the Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome, 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 old man car. Okay, so we want to show you something. We see it happen more often than it should happen. This is warning for everybody. I know the guy who does it for less, okay? So I know everybody wants to save money, but you need to be very careful, okay? So the owner of this car replaced this caliper and replaced the rotor and the pads not that long ago, okay? But now if you look at that, and look the color of the rotor or the caliper. It's burnt. It's no good. Why?
You know why? You see, that's people not change the hose, flex hose. See, everybody change just the rotor or a caliper and not change the flex. And that's what this car have problem. You know, this bracket for hose, flex hose, is rusty and tight the hose and oil no go.
So that's now you can see how swollen it is on both sides here. That's swollen.
That's a problem. And the oil don't go back. And that's a caliper. Every time a little bit sees up to.
And it kills the rotor and pad. I don't know. He's gonna have to see if the caliper is okay. Hopefully the caliper is okay. It's not overheated. And the rubbers too, you have to be careful when somebody's doing it for you, or those little boots, so they don't break those, because they pierce those and the water gets in, and then you need to replace the slides. I'm sorry for the quality change in the video. I'm recording from my phone right now just so I can show you. Look at this. Look, the caliper is gone. Look at a rubber.
Burn the rubber and everything.
So she burned.
Yes, we need to.
The caliper. So caliper needs to be replaced.
Anyway,
so it's very costly mistake. All right, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.